Okay, so the first deal we're going to do is the spend 20, get 5. And what we're going to do, since we have those fabulous Febreze coupons, the buy one, get one free, we're going to actually do that deal. And we're going to get 8 of them because we're going to use 4 coupons. So they're on sale for $2.99. We're going to get a total of 8, but we're actually only going to pay for 4. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, 2 of the Gain, 2 of the Linen and Sky. They only have 1 of the Hawaiian Breeze, but I'm going to grab 1 of those, and then I'm going to grab another Gain. So that will be a total of 8, and then we're going to use 4 of these coupons that came out in your P&G circular. So we're going to get those off, $2.99 off for each coupon. And although it says $3, you only get $2.99. Okay, so that, if you take 8 times 3, that's 24. So that gets us to our spend 20, get 5 back. So that is the first deal we're going to do, but we're going to combine a couple of other deals with that because I have a spend 40, get $8 off coupon. So we're going to combine a couple deals so that we can get to the 40 and still get our $5 back in extra bucks. All right, so we're going to do the Dove deal again, but we're going to do it a little different from the last video. In my last video, I did explain that the Dove was buy one, get one half off, but I said the little ones didn't count, but they do. It just wasn't tagged, so when I scanned it, it did ring up. So we're going to grab 2 of the smaller ones, the 12 ounce. They're $7.29, and then the second one we're going to get for half price. So that's going to be like $3.65. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, put 2 of these in the cart, and then we're going to use 2 of the $2.50 coupons. Okay, so we're going to use 2 of these $2.50 off coupons. You see they don't expire until 10/30, but they're still good because we can use them up to 14 days afterwards. So that's a total of $5 that we have coming off. But then when you scan the Dove into my CVS app, I do have a CRT that also applies. Alrighty, so our next deal is going to be on a Cetaphil item, and you can get just about any Cetaphil item that you want. I'm just choosing to get the cheapest one because I have a CRT for $4 off. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab these Cetaphil Gentle Skin cleaning cloths. They are $8.59. I have this $2 off coupon that does not expire until November 6th. So that's going to bring them down to $6.59. But then I have a CRT in my CVS app for $4 off. Cetaphil facial care, so that's another $4 off, so that brings that down to $2.59. But then I also have an Ibotta rebate. This is the Ibotta rebate. It is $1.50 off any Cetaphil facial cleanser. So we have the $4 CRT, we have the $2 coupon, and we have the $1.50 rebate from Ibotta. So that brings that down to $7.50. So we'll be paying about $1 for our Cetaphil facial wipes. Okay, so this should bring us to our $40. We have the Cetaphil, we have the 2 Dove body washes, and then we have the 8 Febrezes. So that will take us a little over our $40. So we're going to use our $2.50 Dove coupons. We're going to use our buy one, get one Febreze coupons. Then we have our $2 Cetaphil coupon, as well as our $8 off 40 CRT. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay, so let's go over the receipt. So here you see the Febreze. They each rang up $2.99. It was a total of 8. Then you have the 2 Dove. One was $7.29, and the other one rang up half price, which was $3.65. Then you have the Cetaphil that ring up for $8.59. These are the coupons that came off. the $2 manufacturer coupon for the Cetaphil, the $2.50 coupons for the Dove. There were 2 of those. Then the 4 $3 coupons for the Febreze, the $8 off 40 CRT, the $4 off Cetaphil CRT, and the $2 off select Dove CRT. So my out-of-pocket would have been $10.44. I used a $10 extra buck, so I only had to give her 44 cents. But then I got back a $5 extra buck, so that brings my out-of-pocket to $5.44. But then remember, we're getting $1.50 back from Ibotta. Okay, so with our $5 that we got back from with extra bucks and the $1.50 that we got back from Ibotta, that brings our out-of-pocket to just $3.94. And if you divide that by 11 items, that means we paid a total of 36 cents per item. That's a pretty good haul, guys. So let's do one more deal. So our next deal is going to be on the Halls cough drops. They are on sale this week, 2 for $4.25. Now I picked up these 2 flavors, but you can get whichever ones you choose because they're all on sale for $4.25. And that is the 30 count for these, and then the 20 count for these. So depending on which flavor you get, depends on how many is inside. I'm going to use 2 of these coupons, which I printed off of coupons.com. I don't believe they're still available, but if not, there are some paper coupons that came out in your insert about 2 weeks ago. They're not for $1.50 off each one, but they're $1 off too. So you still save pretty well. Okay, so I'm going to use these 2 coupons, which will add up to $3. But then I'm also going to use 2 CRTs that I got for 75 cents off. Now, if you don't have the CRTs, it's still a good deal because it's still, you would only pay $1.25 for 2 packs of Halls, and that's a pretty good deal. But I'm going to use the 2 CRTs, so that's another $1.50 off. So these Halls are going to be absolutely free for me. But then I'm also going to submit to Checkout 51, and they have a deal where you can get $1 off for the Halls too. So that's actually going to be $1 moneymaker for me. So let's head up to the register and let's pay for our last transaction. Alrighty, so here is the receipt for the Halls. You can see they were on sale, $2.39 each, or 2 for $4.25 each. Both of my $1.50 coupons came off, and then you have the 2 75-cent CRTs that came off. The one reduced down to 50 cents because I didn't need it, and CVS does not give overage, so this transaction was 0. But I submitted my receipt to Checkout 51 and I got $1 back, so that is $1 money maker. So this is everything that I got. I got 8 bottles of Febreze spray, 2 Dove body washes, a pack of Cetaphil facial cleansers, and 2 packs of Halls. So my total for this, after I submit to Ibotta and to Checkout 51, is a total of $2.94. Guys, excellent deal. Make sure you go through your CRTs, make sure you match them up with your coupons, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going out to do any of these deals. Let me know if you've already done them, because I may have missed some things and maybe you've done them better and saved a little bit more. You know, we all want to help each other and help each other save. Comment below. Let me know how it's going and how you're saving. But until the next time, keep on saving.